A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is TG Latetlock. I want to welcome you to EcoEconUG, the political ecologist, where we discuss anything environmental, anything political, and anything economical. We discuss natural resources. We talk about minerals, petroleum. We talk about environmental conservation, nature, and anything that surrounds man. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I want us to focus on the rodents. Uh, each and every one of you could have heard or have seen a rodent, but then a rodent is so predominant that it contributes or it makes up to 40% of all the non-mammal species. Globally, there are about 6,400 non-mammal species, 4 of which are actually rodents. So the fact that they are very predominant has an indicator that they have a promise. Rodents have serious promises in the world right now. The promises and the potentials they have probably to humans is that they can be very good sources of food. Unfortunately, very minute numbers of people still eat rodent despite the quality of the meat that they have. Very few people still eat rodents, partly because of their sizes. Most of them are very small. Only a few of them are actually big. Most of them are very small, except the bright-tailed porcupines and those in the Hystricomorpha suborder, which are more of bigger. The bright-tailed porcupines, the Therinomes species, the cane rats, the giant rats, and others, the guinea pigs. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, uh, what is a rodent? Uh, the word rodent actually originated from a Latin word rodere. Rodere actually means to continuously bite something, or in simple English, they call it to gnaw. Uh, what characterizes rodents is that they have a single pair of continuously growing incisors that is found in both the upper and the uh, this happens such that this one keeps growing. The incisor from the upper keeps growing down, and the incisors from the downer jaws keeps going up. And then, if not properly managed, these incisors will eventually clip onto one another and then actually block the mouth of the rodents, and they cease to eat. And that's the reason why they continuously eat or bite something. I mean, they like biting things that are stronger. You see them biting wires, biting bones, biting hard things, going for hard stalks instead of soft things, because they want to disrupt the continuous growth uh, of those incisors, and that is why they know or they continuously bite, and that is what the Latinos call the rodere, and that is now what translated into in English what we know as rodents right now. Ladies and gentlemen, my biggest interest is not going to be on any other rodents, but I will basically be concentrating on the rodents that falls within the suborder or Hystricomorpha, and within the family of Therinomidae, and then within the genera of Therinomes. And this time I will be interested in the Therinomes cyndareus and the Therinomes gregarius. But that would be a story for another day. As of today, now you understand what a rodent is, how predominant they are. They make up 40% of the world non-mammal species, and that means they have a promise, but they can also be very invasive because they can be pests. So we need to strike a balance between their conservation and their adversive nature. So it is important to understand these rodents into detail. So I will be taking you through some of them, especially within the Stricomorpha suborder and then the Thermidae family. Thank you very much for being good audience. TG Latetlock is my name, and EcoEconPoliticalUG. We have, please subscribe, like our page, and follow up on more discussions that come on the conservation of nature in Uganda.